But if you travel downwards in this hierarchy, it will be economical, it will be slower, and it will be larger. A computer cannot be built only by this primary memory. If you consider the speed only, you cannot see. Ideally, for a user or for a programmer, if there has to be a larger size of their primary memory, it will be easy for them to process their job or to execute their instructions. But it is an ideal situation. Theoretically, it is possible. Technically, it is possible. You can increase the size of RAM up to infinite. That is possible. But practically, operationally, it is not viable. It is not possible because of certain reasons. See, the cost of the RAM or the primary memory is always higher than the cost of the secondary memory. If you will increase the size of RAM, the total cost of your system will also go up, and then it will translate into the processing of per bit data, and then the cost of per bit data processing may be higher than their actual value. So for economical viability, it cannot be increased after a limit. Second thing is, if you increase the size of RAM or the primary memory up to infinite, your system in practical terms may get slower, then it becomes faster, because the searching time for each data on an average will increase also. So in with such practical reasons, you cannot increase the size of of primary memory or RAM after a limit. That all memory storage devices, or different kinds of memories are arranged in a particular amount or in a particular hierarchy for better performance of the system. In next class, we will try to understand these different types of memories in detail, particularly the cache memory. Thank you.